Hi all, just thought I'd show you this, might be interested. Fly fishing kit, everything you need to start fly fishing.
By Airflow.
It's by Airflow, is it?
Just scroll up a little bit with your camera. Back a bit, there
you go. By Airflow. Which is the best kit for you. So it tells you on the box, river and stream, small still water, predator and saltwater, large lake and reservoir. So you can buy all types of kit. Then it comes down, it's got on the back, it tells you how to, some knots and how to tie them. I won't go into all that. And then I'll come down here, it says, the kit includes Airflow 4-piece carbon fly rod, preloaded graphics fly reel, what's that, Volcocity, whatever, protective rod tube, and I'll show you that now. So she's a 9-foot, yep. Is that right? Focus, there we go. Anyway, so this is what you get. Reel. Quite tidy, isn't it? Is it graphite? Graphite?
Carbon fibre, is it?
Carbon fibre, is it?
I have no idea.
Nice though. Okay. You get a box of...
I don't think it's carbon fibre, is it? It's genuine plastic.
It's all by this was recommended by the actual company, well, the shop we got it from. Set of flies, well, a few flies. A pair of sunglasses, bound to be top of the range Polaroid. You get a rod bag, which is solid. I mean, that is. Anything else in that? No. Okay, that's all right, isn't it? That's good. And you get the rod.
Let's go back a bit, Dad.
That will do now. I'm just going to go back now. So it's 3-piece.
4.
It's 4-piece.
Yeah.
I can zoom into that. What's it say on it? Oh, there you go. Yeah, 9 foot, 6 to 7 ounce. I presume that is it?
Probably is light. I say I do not know much about fly
We haven't done a lot of fly fishing in our lives. We've done a lot of fishing. We haven't done a lot of fly fishing. That is very, very fine rod, that, isn't it? There we go. So a 4-piece rod, a few flies, the reel, the case, sunglasses, all for, how much was it?
70 quid.
70 quid, was it?
Yeah. Because when you break it all down, we were looking at buying individually, and it was like going to be a lot more.
He said, didn't he?
Yeah, probably be better quality you bought individually, but.
But he did say for a beginner or intermediate, this is a pretty good setup, isn't it?
Yeah, it's novice.
If we don't like it.
Put it on eBay.
Yeah. Okay, if you enjoyed that video, just a quick one on a quick starter kit. Let's have a look at the price and find it on the box just to make sure we're right. There we go. There you go, 70 quid.
We'll let you know what it looks like when we use it.
Yeah. This phone is not focusing very well lately.
Focus.
Focus phone. There we go. Okay, and we got it. Where'd you get it from?
Total Angling.
Total Angling. I suppose there's quite a few of them about, isn't there? There we go. Take care. Take care. Catch you in the next vid. Bye.